Good afternoon to all of you, and I mute you all.
Good,
If
good afternoon, sir.
very good afternoon, I mute you all. Okay, students, I mute you all, and now starts your class. Today's class. If you have any doubts or questions, you ask me when I unmute you. Okay, let's start today's class. Here I start your chemistry class 6. Class 6. Okay, today's date 15 April 2021. Okay, here I discuss on your syllabus. Okay, syllabus of chemistry for class 6. For class 6, you have read first chapter chemistry, first chapter number 3, fiber to fabric. Okay, fiber to fabric. Okay, it's your first, or here I write chapter number. Here I write chapter number. Chapter number. Okay, chapter number 4. You have to read sorting materials into groups. Sorting materials into groups. Next chapter you have to read the chapter number 5, separation of substances. Separation of substances. Okay. Next chapter you have to read changes around us. Chapter number 6, changes around us. Next chapter you have to read chapter number 15, water, the life living liquids. Water, the life living liquid. The life living liquid. Okay. Next chapter you have to read chapter number 16, air around us. Air around us. And last chapter you have to read chapter number 17, waste and its management. Waste and its management. Okay, these are the chapters you have to read in your class 6. Okay, I also write here which chapters are asked in your first exam. It means that half yearly exam, and which chapters are asked in your final exam, essay 1 and essay 2. You have read total total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chapters. So you have read these 4 chapters for essay 1. Essay 1. Okay, essay 1. These 4 chapters. Okay, and these 3 chapters for essay 2. Okay, and for final exam, for final exam you have to read 40% from SA1 and 60% from SA2. Okay, I hope you all understand what I say. Okay, for final exam you have to read 40% in essay 1 and 60% in essay 2. Okay, I hope you all understand. Please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. I hope you all taken the screenshot of this page. I unmute you. If you have any doubts or question, please ask for me. Okay, I unmute for some time. I unmute you all. If you have doubt any and question, then ask. Students, I unmute you. Yes, you have any doubt or question, please ask for me.
सर हम फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी का एक ही कॉपी बनाएंगे कि अलग अलग?
Chemistry for separate copy. For chemistry, separate copy you have to make. Okay.
और सर बायोलॉजी और फिजिक्स?
Both are different, and you have to make different copy. Okay. Okay.
बायोलॉजी केमिस्ट्री और जो है
for biology you have contact from Chandan sir. Okay, and for physics you have contact from Mukesh sir. Okay.
सर ऐसे का मतलब
What?
ऐसे का मतलब ऐसे वन एंड ऐसे टू का?
Assessment first, it is also known as half yearly exam.
अरे यार माइक ऑन था.
Okay, Mr. Rohan Sinha, I listen you. If you have any study, Mr. Chris, if you have any doubt, then ask. Otherwise, no convince. Anyone? Okay.
No problem.
Anyone have any doubts or problem? Please ask for me. Okay. I am going in the space. Okay. Yes.
सर केमिस्ट्री में केमिकल फॉर्मूलाज होंगे?
What, Mister?
केमिस्ट्री में केमिकल फॉर्मूलाज होंगे?
Your voice not coming properly. Please ask
सर
one again.
केमिस्ट्री में केमिकल फॉर्मूलाज होंगे? केमिकल फॉर्मूलाज?
Yes, chemical formulas. Chemical
Yes, sir.
formula. No any chapters related from chemical formulas for class 6. Okay.
सेवेंथ में
Yes, sir.
Okay.
मैं 7 में
Yes, yes. Class 7 you have to read that chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm going next page and I mute
Sir,
you all.
chemistry.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Sir, chemistry chemical formula.
Student, I'm going next page for explanation chapter first fiber to fabric. I explain here about chapter first. Okay. Chapter first, it means that chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, chapter name fiber to fabric. Chapter name fiber to fabric. In this chapter, you have to read different topics. Okay. Firstly, you have to read about what is fiber. It's your also your chapter name. Okay. Firstly, you have to know about fiber. Then I will teach you types of fiber, types of fiber, and their examples and their examples. Okay. Next, we have to write about and explains about cotton, properties of cotton, and you have to read subtopics cotton and their properties and its properties. Okay. Next, you have to read about jute and its properties. Jute and its properties. Okay. Next, I will teach you. Next subtopic, I will teach you wool. Wool and its properties. Its properties. Okay. Next, I will teach you next topic silk and its properties. Okay. Then I will teach you synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers. Okay. After this, I will teach you water absorption properties of fibers. Water absorption properties of fibers. Next we will teach you making fabric from yarn. Making fabric from yarn. Okay. This is the last topic you have to. I will teach you making fabric from yarn, and I will study here different steps how yarn convert into fabric. Okay. Okay. These are the syllabus. These are the subtopics of chapter number 3, fiber to fabric. Okay. Please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. I am going next page. I hope you all taken a screenshot of this page. Okay. Firstly, we start. Firstly, we start. What is fiber? Here, our syllabus started. What is fiber? What is fiber? I write here their definitions. Fiber is a long thread-like material. Okay. If you have, if any from you ask any types of question, so what is fiber? You say fiber is a long thread-like material. Okay. Then I will teach you types of fiber. It is the complete definition of fiber. Okay. Fiber is a long thread-like material only. Which type of material? I explain later. Okay. I will take you types of fiber. Types of fiber. Okay. There are two types of fiber. There are two types of fiber. Okay. First, natural fiber. Natural fiber. Okay. I explain here. I explain it here. Okay. What is natural fiber? The fiber which obtained from the fibers which obtained from which obtained from animals and plants. Animals and plants. The fibers which obtained from animals and plants are called are called are called natural fiber. Are called natural fiber. Okay. As for example, I write here examples. Examples are jute. It obtained from jute plant. Cotton. Okay. Silk. Wool. etc. These are the examples of natural fiber. Second, we have to write second type of fiber, synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber. Okay, I write here the definitions. The fibers which are made by human beings through chemical process. In bracket we have to write polymerization. Okay, bracket closed. The fibers which are made by human beings through chemical process are called synthetic fibers. Okay, as for examples we write here rayon. It is an example of synthetic fibers. Nylon, NY. Next example, polyester. Next example, polythene. ATC, acrylic fiber. It is. So these are the examples of synthetic fiber. How synthetic fibers are formed? The fibers which are made by human beings through chemical process. Okay, polymerization are called, chemical process is also known as polymerization, are called synthetic fiber. This fiber is also known as synthetic fiber is also known as human made or artificial fiber. Okay, okay, we write here through note. I write here through note. Synthetic fiber is also known as artificial fiber or human made fiber. Where I write here, I write here in box. Okay. Synthetic fiber is also known as artificial or human made fiber. Okay, so this is your note point. In box I write here. I unmute you. Please, firstly you have take a screenshot of this page. Okay, firstly you take a screenshot of this page. Then I unmute you all. If you have any doubts or problem, please ask from me. Okay, I unmute you all. If you have any types of doubts or problem, please ask for me. Students, I unmute you. If you have any doubts,
फेयर कॉपी में लिखेंगे नोट्स को
yes,
Sir,
please,
can you
please
show me
write
the
in
first
spare
page?
copy. What?
सर आप लोग उसे फेयर कॉपी में लिखेंगे
Yes.
सर ये जो बॉक्स में उसे कहाँ लिखेंगे
In fair copy. In fair copy.
फेयर कॉपी
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
sir.
just below synthetic fiber.
Sir.
I have no
Sir,
space,
okay,
so I
sir.
write here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Sir, can you show me the first page?
First
Sir, what
page.
is the homework? Yes, sir.
नेचुरल फाइबर का एग्जांपल का फर्स्ट क्या लिखा
Sir,
है?
second page. Sir, what is
Please
the
ask
homework?
one by one. Please ask one by one. Please ask one by
Sir,
one.
what is the homework? Second page. Second page.
नेचुरल फाइबर का एग्जांपल में पहला का क्या लिखा है?
Please ask.
Last page.